Step 1. Put the NAND gate IC 7400 on breadboard as shown in the picture.
Step 2. Shorting inputs that are pin 1 and pin 2. Step 3. Connect LDR with shorted input and negative terminal of battery bottom row of the breadboard. Step 4. Shorting 14-no pin with positive terminal of battery to end bottom row of breadboard. Step 5. Shorting 7-no pin with negative terminal of battery. Step 6. Connect a 10,000 resistor with shorted pin and positive terminal of battery. Step 7. Connect a 470 ohm resistor with pin 3. Step 8. Put the LED's anode with 470 ohm resistor and cathode with negative terminal of battery. Step 9. Connect battery's positive terminal with second bottom row and negative terminal with bottom row.